I'm Andrew Morris. I'm the National Accounts Manager for Braces Bakery here in the heart of South Wales. We've been baking bread for over 120 years now. So we're currently delivering into CK's newly developed RDC site. We deliver there 5 days a week, ensuring that the freshest bread reaches their stores on a daily basis. So we're currently into the 4th generation of the Braces family. Managing Director is Mark Brace and Jonathan Brace, and we now have their daughters working for us as well.